Yo, what is going on guys? My name is Tamar, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys a few features on YouTube that you as a YouTuber need to know about. So these features will actually help you grow your YouTube channel, since it's actually very important that you know of these, since a lot of these will actually improve your channel and improve your video quality and a lot more. So be sure to watch the entire video. I have a few very important features in this video that you really need to know about. So the first feature I wanted to show you guys is to add channel tags in your channel. So in my, I think it was the third video, I actually mentioned this in the video that you need to have channel tags in order to rank, but I never actually said how you can go ahead and add those, so I'm gonna do exactly that in this video. Now as you can see here, I'm on my second channel. Thank you guys for subscribing. I have two buttons up here called customize channel and YouTube Studio. Keep in mind that I only know how to do this on PC, but if you're on a phone, I think you can download a browser that allows you to see the desktop version of YouTube, and that way you can still go and follow this tutorial. So as I said, there are two buttons up here. You want to click on customize channel to go into the legacy version of YouTube, and then once you're in here, you want to click on the gear icon, and then you'll see something called advanced settings. So you want to click on this button here, and it will take you to a new tab where you can put in a few different things. So as you can see here, you can put your country, which is currently Afghanistan. I don't really know why. I think it's the top one, so that's the default one. So you should change this to whatever country you're from. But what's important here is the channel keyword. There is a text field here that allows you to put in a few keywords that you want your channel to rank on. Since this channel is named Tom, I'm gonna put in Tom. Then when people search for Tom, this channel might rank a lot better than if I weren't to put this tag in here. Now keep in mind that Tom is a pretty saturated keyword, so I don't think I'm gonna rank that well. But if you have a channel that has a pretty unique and creative channel name, then you're a lot more likely to rank if you put in your channel name right here. You can actually separate this with a commas, so I can actually put in Tamar as well, and I can put in tutorials. Then I will be able to rank on these three, but obviously not very good on these two, since that's not really the name of the channel. So that's that tip, and I definitely recommend you guys using this, since it will definitely help you grow on YouTube. Now the next tip is actually pretty handy when you're watching videos, since this will allow you to read the comments in the description while still in full screen. So let me show you guys exactly how this works. So as you can see here, I'm on my latest video called the Chrome extension one. You should really watch this video. I will actually add a card up here to the right. This video basically tells you the best Chrome extensions for YouTube or YouTubers, and yeah, it will help you grow a lot on your YouTube channel. So this feature, what it allows you to do is that if you click on full screen and go into the full screen mode, then well, if you're in the full screen mode, then it says actually scroll for details. People don't actually pay attention to this, but if you scroll down, you'll see that you can actually scroll down all the way down into the comment section, and you can view the description and everything while still being able to scroll up and not leave the full screen. So if you're on desktop, this feature is really handy for you if you don't want to click on this and full screen, since it actually takes a few seconds for it to close. As you can see here, it's a lot faster to just scroll down and see what you want to see and then go back to the video. Now the third feature in this video is to add a custom YouTube URL to your channel. What this basically does is that it allows you to customize your YouTube channel URL to whatever you want, to maybe your channel name, and then it allows people to go to that URL instead of the generic bunch of different letters and numbers. They could just directly go to your channel name instead, and then they'll be redirected to your YouTube channel. Let me show you guys how this works. I'm going to go into this new tab here. If I type youtube.com/c and a slash again, then TamarYT, which is my custom URL for my main channel. If I click on enter, then this will actually take me to my main channel. As you can see here, it says TamarYT up here, and this is my main channel. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do that as well. So the way to do that is that you should go into your account settings, and once you're in here, you want to click on advanced settings, and then you'll see something called you're eligible for a custom URL. So actually to be able to claim a custom URL, there's a few different things that you need to fulfill. These are the custom URL eligibility. It says to create a custom URL for your channel, your account needs to have 100 or more subscribers, be at least 30 days old, have an uploaded photo as a channel icon, and have uploaded channel art. So I'm guessing most of you guys have 100 or more subscribers, and I'm guessing most of you guys have had your YouTube channel for more than 30 days. And these two, you can just go ahead and add a photo and a channel icon, add a channel art if you don't really have this. But if you fulfill these 4 different criterias, then you'll be able to set up a custom URL for your channel. So the way you do that is that you go back to the account advanced, so the advanced YouTube settings. Then you will see, if you're eligible, you will be able to see this button here. So if you click on claim it here, it will take you to a different site, and then here you can customize your custom URL. So it's gonna say your channel name, and right now I can actually take Tom Second channel or second, since no one on YouTube already has this, so I can actually take this if I want to, but chances are that your username is already taken, and if it is, then you want to click on this second button down here, and then you want to add a few characters after your channel name. So you can add YT if you want, like I did with Temor, or you can literally add whatever you want in here. Once you have done that, all you want to do is click on change URL, or you have to click I have read and agreed to the custom URL terms of use. Then you want to click on change URL and then click on confirm. So if I actually copy this to be able to check it, you will see that if I click on confirm choice, it'll say nothing really, but if I go to the link that I just added, as you can see here, Tom Second YT, it will go to the same channel. And another thing people don't actually know about this link is that you can actually remove the /c from the URL and it will still go to your YouTube channel. So that's a feature that you should really use to grow your YouTube channel, since all bigger YouTubers use this. The fourth feature in this video is using the correct video codecs. Most of you guys probably don't even know what I meant by that, but if you go to any YouTube video on your desktop and right click and then click on stats for nerds, then you'll be able to see a few different stats for the video. Right up here it says codecs, and then it says VP09. This is the absolute best codecs that you can use on YouTube. And what I mean by that is that if you don't use this codecs, then your video will actually not be the best quality it can be. If you put a video that is not VP09 in full screen, then you'll actually be able to see pixels sometimes, and you'll just be able to compare a VP09 with an AVC codecs, and you'll see that the quality isn't really the same. Now, how do you get this codecs? Well, I'm going to show you guys a small little channel that I found by just searching Minecraft. If I click on right click and click on stats, it will say AVC1, and as I said, this quality is a lot worse than VP09, and what determines this is actually the size of your channel. So that's very unfair of YouTube, but the size of your channel actually determines the codecs that you're using for your videos. But the best thing is that there is actually a workaround to this problem. The workaround that I use on smaller channels to get VP09 is that if you upload your video with 1440p, which is just another resolution that you can use on YouTube, then YouTube will automatically upgrade your codec to VP09. If you are not really a big channel, then you should go into your video editor and render your videos as 1440p, which is, I think it's 2060 by 1440, and if you do that and then upload a video to YouTube, you'll see you will actually get the VP09 codec, and your video will look a lot better than before. And the VP09 don't really only apply to the 1440 version of the video. You can actually watch the video in 1080 as well, but it will still be VP09. Now the next feature is actually just a simple one. Most people don't really know this, but if you right click on your video, you can actually loop the video forever. So let's say you're watching or listening to a song, and you can loop the song forever if you don't want to stop listening to the song. And the last tip is also very simple, but most people don't really know this, but if you right click on any video, then there is a button called copy video URL at current time, and what this does is that it copies the video at the specific time in the video that you're currently in. So let's say I go to 53 seconds, and if I then copy at the current time and paste the URL up here, you will see that it actually says the second at the end of the URL. And if I go to this little link up here, then it will actually start at the second that I copied the link from. So that's my 6 features for you guys that you should use to grow your YouTube channel. And if you like this video and if you found it helpful, then please leave a like down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Actually, before I end the video, I also want to say that the shout giveaway is actually still active, but most of you guys, that you send the comments in the wrong videos. The only way for you to enter the giveaway is for you to send your comments in the likes video. And the reason I haven't shouted out everyone yet is that I said in the video that I will space out all of the giveaways so that everyone who gets the giveaway gets the right amount of views and subs that they deserve. So what I have done is that I actually spaced out some of the giveaways very many days apart, and the latest one I actually spaced it out 1 week apart, and the video that I shouted out, it got over 2,000 views, and the guy who owns the video got around 100 subs. So I still have 2 more shoutouts left, and if you want to win these shoutouts, then you have to go to the likes video and you have to get your name commented the most amount of times. So tell your friends and family to comment your channel name in that video, and I will pick the winner in a few days, and you will be on my community tab for about maybe 5 or even a week. then you will get the views and subs that you want. So I just want to say that, guys, since a lot of you guys misinterpreted what I said. So I really wish you guys good luck, and I hope you watching right now, I hope you win. Now for a last time, thank you very much for watching the video.